Mwaka wa 2020 riu ogutwika kiuriranda mutaratara-ini wa mathomo guku bururi-ini arutwo a thukuru cia muthingi na thekondari magithie na mbere guikara mucii kwa ihinda ria mieri 6 yukite. Itua riri rikinyanirio thutha wa micemanio kiheri anyititemi makigeria kuiguithaniria uria mathomo magicokereria riendekithia ria kuhingura thukuru mweri-ini wa kenda rikiringa ihiga.
The highest daily number of cases was reported only 3 days ago on the 4th of July and was 389. Ladies and gentlemen, based on this very disturbing trend, stakeholders have shelved the initial proposal to reopen basic education learning institutions in September for Standard 8 and Form 4 candidate classes.
Onyihu wa irathi na nyumba cia toro kumana na riendekithia ria o murutwo guikara uraihu wa mita imwe kuma hari uri ungi, onyihu wa arutani hamwe na thabari cia arutwo kuma kaunti imwe nginyagia iria ingi ikigwetwo ta imwe cia iremithia na gutiga thirikari itari na wiki o tiga guteaniria mwaka wa 2020 karenda-ini ya mathomo arutwo magitanywo gucokereria thukuru-ini mwaka ukite.
Faced with this uncertain environment, these stakeholders have resolved to reopen all basic institutions in January. This is based on the assumption that the curve will have flattened or we shall have known a little bit much more about this virus.
Riu o murutwo agacokereria kirathi kiria ari thukuru citanahingwo mweri-ini wa gatatu riri nakio kigeranio gia KCPE na KCSE mwaka uyu gitireirio nginyagia muthia-ini wa mwaka wa 2021.
School calendar of this year will be considered lost due to COVID-19. These decisions made on institutions reopening will apply to all children, including those offering international curriculum.
Aruto aria twaranirie nao marauga itua riri rimakorire hinahi aria mare kirathi-ini gia kanana na Form 4 makiuga ni marehariirie na marari na matanya ma gutiriha ikereka riri na kuingira ngathi-ini ingi ya muturire.
Nilikuwa nangoja kumaliza shule and niko na hakika kwamba wengine pia wametaka kumaliza shule hii mwaka, but hakuna vinye tunaweza fanya. No one expected this disease to like come to us and stuff.
Nilikuwa nangojea nianze maisha mpya high school with new people, with new friends and new experiences.
Aria makoretwo magitwarithia na mbere mathomo makiuga uyu ni mweke wa kunora meciria niguo gukamahotithia gwika wega mwaka ukite.
Tanika as an individual ni amekanda soma na I have to read because next year sakwenda ni kwa 0.
Tumeambiwa ni next year na watu wengi watareadjust na pia hiyo pressure ya kukomboa klasa tusome na pia itareduce kidogo.
Ona kuhanora uguo thukuru cia college, university na aria mathomithagia kothi cia moko ni metikiritio kuhingura kwambiriria mweri wa kenda rungu rwa mitaratara iria gathikitwo ni thirikari gutigirira arutwo matiri ugwati-ini wa kugwatwo ni murimu uyu. Thutha wa itua ria umuthi gukinyanirio riu kibarua kinene gitigiirwo aciari gutigirira ciana ciao ni igitiritwo ihinda riri cigukorwo cire mucii na oho gutigirira ni maratwarithia na mbere mathomo mbere ya thukuru gucokereria mwaka ukite. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV gitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.